for luxury, but a kind of stylish, glamorous luxury. It's not just handwork. That is there because every single bead is finished by hand, and this is the secret of this light. This is an amazing light. This is something that never comes out of any other texture of pieces of jewelry. This is a light that might recall, I don't know, like maybe silk that is very precious, very expensive silk fabric, but you would never expect such beautiful, intriguing, interesting, almost sensual light coming from gold, from 18 karat gold. That is, I mean, a precious metal, but it's still a metal. So it's really all about the skill and the expertise of the person who made this kind of texture one by one in every single bead. It is a very little workshop. It's like 8 to 10 workers working in this workshop, and they are specialized in textures.
Wow, it's amazing. As I'm just playing with this, and you're seeing the different beads, and I mean, it's almost like when you see a gemstone. Oh, sorry, I was going to put it down. It's almost like when you see a gemstone, like a tiger's eye, and it has that chatoyancy inside of it, that light glow. That's what they're able to do on metal, and create something that looks soft but glows.
It glows. It glows from inside. It looks like it glows from inside. And also the secret of the popularity of these pieces is that they are unusual, not only for the finishing but also for the design. They're not just bead bracelet and a bead necklace. This bracelet is graduated. Have you ever seen a graduated bead bracelet?
Not often.
It's so unusual, so original, and that's why it speaks for design. It speaks for luxury. It speaks for this very expensive jewelry boutique in the most expensive streets of Milano, Roma, Firenze, or even Madison Avenue. This is something that really attracts your attention from the workmanship and from the style.